Why is it that some people are able to learn how to start an online business and find success so quickly while others struggle for years? In a few moments, you'll discover the 3 simple steps to guarantee that you learn how to start an online business in 2023 with a massive advantage. But first, since 2008, I've been helping entrepreneurs to start online businesses and further optimize and grow them moving forward. In that time, I found that there was 2 critical mistakes that often caused lots of people to struggle unnecessarily and delay their ability to get results. The first mistake is treating this like a hobby instead of a business. Here's what I mean. You can't expect to find success starting an online business if you aren't taking it seriously. The second mistake is what's commonly referred to as analysis paralysis. You know, the types who are perfectionists, who refuse to take any action because they need stuff to be perfect, which means that they're constantly coming up with excuses as to why they can't start taking action right now. And speed of implementation is one of the biggest factors in finding success. If you're ready to take this serious and actually get results in 2023, hit that like button to show your commitment to taking action right now. Here are the 3 things that you need to do. Number 1, model after experts who've already done what you're looking to do. If you were looking to build a house, you wouldn't learn from someone who's never built a house before. Well, this same goes for building an online business. Find people who have already started and grown successful online businesses and model after them. Number 2, schedule time each week to devote to learning how to start and grow an online business. Like I said, one of the biggest mistakes that people make is treating this like a hobby, which means they're inconsistent, they're random. Maybe they spend a weekend here, maybe they spend a weekend there, but it's not consistent. It's broken up and there's no way to build momentum. This is why you need to treat this like a business. Schedule time each week, maybe even an hour or 2 each day that you will devote to learning from the experts that you found in step number 1. Step number 3, this is the biggest key of it all, speed of implementation. Where most people fail, where most people end up disappointed and broke, is because they spend all of their time just learning and learning. They're going to webinars and online courses, but they never actually put anything into action. Which means for this part, this final step, you also need to schedule time each week to implement what you're learning. Realize it won't be perfect. It will never be perfect. But what you can do is incrementally get better each week, each day, each month, and start seeing progress that way. But if you never take steps to implement what you're learning, and you just go from course to course, and you start taking a webinar here and a webinar there, you're never going to see results, and you might just give up where you could have done so much more. So devote time each week to putting into action what you're learning in step number 2 from the people you identified in step number 1. Now, as beneficial as YouTube is, you're only going to gain so much information from watching 15 to 20-minute videos from random people on YouTube. What you're better off doing is finding a consistent source for training and information, which is why I really love Kajabi University. Now, if you've never heard of Kajabi or Kajabi University, Kajabi is an all-in-one platform that a lot of the top experts use to start and grow their online businesses. Kajabi University is Kajabi's dedicated portal that has content, courses, training from top experts about whatever topics you need to start and grow an online business. Now, a couple of things I really love about Kajabi University. Number 1, with Kajabi University, you don't have to worry about being constantly upsold or pitched on more courses and products like a lot of the experts on YouTube and online. Because you are getting access to it for free as a member of Kajabi, there is no additional sales. They just want you to find success as quickly as possible using Kajabi as your tool set. Kajabi University has over 350 videos spanning dozens of different courses from some of the top experts in their fields. Whether you want to learn how to design and record and build out an online course, online membership, do coaching, you will find what you need in Kajabi University. And Kajabi as a platform allows you to provide all of those things for sale to your market. You can learn about how to build and design a website, how to do the marketing for your online business, whether it's with blogs, SEO, podcasts, you name it. And there's even advanced courses that cover legal basics, business accounting, and other fundamentals. Now, if you don't already have a Kajabi account and you want to check out Kajabi University, use the special access link below this video to get free access to Kajabi for a limited time to check out both the platform and Kajabi University and see how it can make starting an online business for you in 2023 super easy. With Kajabi, you will quickly find out that you have all the tools you need to start, grow, and optimize your online business in 2023 and beyond. But if you were considering using WordPress as your online course platform or membership site, you'll want to check out this video right here to see exactly how Kajabi compares versus WordPress and why you might want to choose one over the other.